Hello, welcome to English for Taiwan with me, Teacher Donald. This is a spelling challenge for the unit What's Wrong? When we do a spelling challenge, you're going to need a pencil and a paper. And you can set up your paper like this. What's the matter at the top? And you can write the numbers 1 to 9 down the side. You are going to be spelling 9 different words. So I hope you have your pencil and your paper ready. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Do you know this part of the body? This is the arm. Go ahead and try and spell the word arm. You have an M, an A, and an R. So go ahead and try and spell the word arm. Write neatly beside number 1 on your paper. Later on, we will check your answers. So go ahead and spell the word arm. Okay, that's all the time I will give you for number 1. Let's see number 2. Number 2, this is your hand. Hand. Now, can you spell the word hand? Use the letters N, D, A, and H and try and spell the word hand. I'll give you 5 seconds. Hurry up. Okay, let's move on and see number 3. This part of your body is the leg. Now, can you spell the word leg? You have an L, G, and an E. So on your paper, beside number 3, try and spell the word leg. Leg. Okay, use all 3 letters. Time's up for number 3. Let's see number 4. Number 4, this is your foot. Now, can you spell the word foot? You have a T, 2 O's, and an F. So on your paper, nice and neatly, spell the word foot. I'll give you 3 more seconds. Time's up. Let's see number 5. Number 5, this is your eye. Can you spell the word eye? You have an E, another E, and a Y. Kind of a tricky word, but do your best and try and spell the word eye. I'll give you 3 seconds. Time's up. Let's see number 6. Number 6 is ear. Can you spell the word ear? Use the letters R, E, and A. And on your paper, spell the word ear. 2 more seconds. Okay, number 7's going to be a little bit harder. Number 7. Number 7 is a runny nose. Sometimes you have a cold and you have a runny nose. Can you spell the word runny nose? It's 2 words, so make sure you leave a space. You have 2 N's, a U, an R, a Y, an S, an E, an O, and an N. So on your paper, spell the word runny nose. Okay, I think this girl needs a tissue. I'll give you 5 more seconds to spell runny nose. Okay, if you're having trouble, we will check your answers later. Let's see number 8. Number 8 is headache. When your head hurts, you have a headache. So on your paper beside number 8, try and spell headache. You have D-H-E-A, C-H-E-A. So try and spell headache. It's 1 word, so write all the letters together. I'll give you 5 more seconds to spell headache. Okay, time's up for number 8. Let's try number 9. Number 9 is when your tooth hurts, and this is a toothache. On your paper, try and spell the word toothache. You have a T, an H, two O's, another T, a C, another H, an E, and an A. So number 9, try and spell the word toothache. I'll give you 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Now, let's check your answers. If you got the word right, give yourself a check mark. If you got it wrong, you can fix it on your papers. That's why we have erasers. Number 1 is arm. And if you spelled it right, it should look like this. A-R-M. Arm. If you got it, give yourself a check mark. Let's see number 2. Number 2 is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. If you spelled this one right, give yourself a check mark. Okay, let's say the word together. Hand. Number 3 was leg. You had an L-G-E, and it should look like this. L-E-G, leg. If you got it, good job. Now say the word after me. Leg. Okay, here comes number 4. Number 4, the answer was foot. And if you spelled it right, it should look like this. F-O-O-T, foot. If you got it, nice work. Now, let's say the word together. Foot. Okay, let's check number 5. Number 5 is your eye. And if you spelled it right, it looks like this. E-Y-E, eye. If you got this one, good stuff. Now, let's say the word together. Eye. Okay, let's see number 6. Number 6 was your ear. And if you spelled it right, it looks like this. E-A-R, ear. If you got it, give yourself a check mark. And now let's say the word together. Ear. Okay, number 7 was a hard one. Runny nose. If you spelled it right, it looks like this. R-U-N-N-Y for runny, and nose, N-O-S-E. If you got number 7 right, give yourself a super big check mark. And now say the word after me. Runny nose. Okay, let's see number 8. Number 8 is when your head hurts, and the answer for headache is H-E-A-D-A-C-H-E. If you got this one right, you can give yourself a check mark, a star, a heart, because this one is really hard. H-E-A-D-A-C-H-E. Headache. Now say it after me. Headache. Okay, let's check the last one, number 9. Number 9 was another long one, toothache. And if you spelled this one right, it should look like this. T-O-O-T-H for tooth, and ache, which means something hurts, A-C-H-E. And it's one word, so make sure you write it together. Toothache. If you got this one, you can give yourself a big happy face. Good job. Now say it after me. Toothache. Okay, good job, boys and girls. And that's all the time we have, so I will see you next time.